are y'all doing there? We just got back from New Jersey. There's no groceries in the house, so I ordered groceries. When did you get here? You just got back? Oh, okay, all right. We did too. Let's bring these in. Oh! Let's do this. First things first, and the most important thing, we've got milk. Okay? Because we were completely out of milk. There was one in there. When I got home, I opened it up because Kennedy wanted some cereal. I took one sniff of it. Some beef and chicken. Greek yogurt. Some skim milk for a recipe. Butter. Shredded cheddar. Yogurt pouches. More yogurt pouches. More cheese. Some cream. And some whipped cream because we were all out of it. And if you know, you know. We're going to need this tomorrow morning at breakfast. Where did you get that pacifier from? Yes. More of these rice cakes. They are so good. Some cake flour because I'm making something fun this week. I thought that this was the big flour. Maybe they were out of the big one? These are gonna be the talk of the town this week, okay? Last week we tried the strawberry chocolate vanilla cookies. The confetti cake ones. Forget about it, she don't love them. Honey mustard. A whole lot of potatoes, okay? I got the whole shelf of potatoes at the store. They only let you order like 10 potatoes at a time. And let's just say I did multiples of that. I love a baked potato. Carl and I knew the groceries were about to be delivered, so we completely cleaned out the fridge. Some more chicken here, and then also some bacon. American cheese, eggs. Last week I tried the ham from the deli section at Whole Foods. This is amazing. This is so good. What brand is this? I don't even know. Welshire? Some ranch. More berries for the berry queen. A bunch of green onions because, like I said, I love a baked potato. All right, these just make my mornings really easy with the kids. Pancakes for Kennedy, she loves these. Doesn't matter what flavor they are, she loves them. More of these rice cakes, cookies and cream flavor. Some tomatoes, bananas, more potatoes, garlic, one single avocado. I ordered like 5. I guess they were out of avocados. All right, well, that'll do. That's okay, it's okay. This is everything. According to my calculations, this should last us until Thursday or Friday. I'm so happy that we are here, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye.
Hello.
We gotta reset the kids' playroom, so let's do it. Clean up on aisle. It's gonna be easier on a weekly basis to clean. Obviously, there is a bunch more toys, things that the kids had gotten for Christmas. We're just gonna have to start rotating things out. So maybe every couple of weeks we'll take out some toys, add some new ones in, and we'll just sort of keep recycling them through. I also feel like the kids are not as overwhelmed when there's less things in here. You know what I mean? So anyways, that is that. Starting the week with a little reset. I hope you guys are having a great Monday, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.